Oops. Hello and welcome to Echoes of Color with Jefferey Morrison. How's it going? Alright, we're going to do another whip and chat here with The Battle Ahead by Lothar Dietrich. 60 centimeters by 45 centimeters, 47 colors, and it's paint with diamonds. I'll stick a picture in somewhere around here. Alright. So, how's it going? Hopefully you're having tons of fun. It looks like it's starting to get darker, like windier and stuff. It was overcast before and kind of raining. It looks like more of a storm system's coming through. Like, might actually get a storm. But we'll see how it goes. I went out and got a coffee for my dad and I, so yeah. Alright, I think we're still working on Z and Z. Yep, ZZ, that symbol on here. For some reason I poured the drills that were in my drill tray back into the bag. I don't know. Alright, well, let's get back to it and have a ball. Hopefully you're having a wonderful day, staying dry and all that. Hopefully your crafting is going well. And other hobbies. I don't really think I've seen any Diamond Art Club new releases this week. I don't think I did. I don't think I've seen any previews. I've seen a Dreamer Designs post for new releases, but could have. Not 100% sure. I don't think so. But anyway. Maybe there weren't any this week. I'm probably wrong. Yeah, it's usually almost a weekly thing, but oh. Yeah, now that my nephew knows that I work at McDonald's, he wants me to take him, as it will cost less money to get him food. Oh, gosh, I knew that was coming. Oh, why, you work at McDonald's now? I guess my mom told my brother or something, and he thinks I'm nuts that I'm working at McDonald's again. Why are you doing that? You're weird. Yeah, it's just a brother trope thing to do. Or say. Why are you doing that? I don't know. Jeez, my nephew, it's just like... Oh boy. Silliness. Ugh. Da, da, da. Yeah, I guess with like Facebook and Instagram, when you like a certain topic or something, like I get Red Panda posts like nothing. You know, those cute furry raccoon slash otter crossover panda things that are supposedly vicious when they're standing on their hind legs and their paws are up in the air. Yeah, those things. And they're red and furry and cute. Yeah, I get there's like two or three, I don't know, Instagram users who just like take videos of have videos of red pandas. Just like all the posts, so my algorithm is just red pandas and foxes and that kind of stuff. Oh boy. Can't really go wrong with that kind of nature footage though. It's kind of cool. I don't know, just like red pandas. I like pandas too. And wolves, foxes, eagles, cardinals, blue jays, Siberian tigers, cats, jaguars, cheetahs, toucans. Yeah, just love animals. So cute. Yeah, and I follow a few photographers on Facebook, like landscape photographers, wildlife photographers, etc. So they're always happy when you share their stuff that they posted on social media. So yeah, I just do that kind of thing. So like my news feed is just like full of photography stuff. I myself am not a photographer, but yeah, boy, when I see something that's really cool, like a Siberian tiger in like Russia or whatever, yeah, I'm taking a picture of it, walking in the snow, just so big and fluffy and ferocious looking. Snow leopards, that kind of thing. It's just awesome. Wolves, just yeah. Them and their splendor. Yeah, one of the drills decided to wander away. Alright. Yeah, so Tim Hortons roll up. I just want a free coffee, like just this past time. For this little roll up the rim. It used to be roll up the rim to win. Like you get a contest cup with your purchase of a coffee. Like you drink out of the cup and then roll up the rim to get a prize or not. Yeah, I won a coffee finally. And it's like the second last day. So usually do a coffee run on weekends that I'm off. Yeah, just give my dad and myself a coffee. So yeah, I want a coffee this time. So next time I go, I'll get a free coffee and just have to pay for one of the coffees. So it's kind of nice. It's all over tomorrow, April 2nd. Yeah, campaign's over. I think the contest is really popular, so sales kind of boost for Tim Hortons in that span of time. Maybe it's the same volume, but people come back. Maybe drink a little bit more coffee or hot beverages in that time frame. But I don't know. Just a guess. It's kind of nice. A chance to win like a free stuff. But yeah, I'd figured that everybody would just like win something, but no. There are dud cups or dud rolls. Sorry, not a good cup. Try again. Yeah, now post SARS and COVID, well, I think COVID-19 is still kicking around, but they don't do the cups anymore. Like, you can't give them, like, tear off the winning portion of the rim of a winning cup and give it to an employee. Yeah, it's just digital Tim Hortons app now, so up here in Canada. So, yeah, germs, but like a decade ago, it wouldn't have been an issue. They would have taken the winning tab and just put it in the till. It's just not now. Craziness. But anyway, Dad, still go to Tim Hortons and drink coffee anyway. It's like, yeah, could easily make a coffee at home, like which we do, but just that nice little few minutes away from the house, I think, is a component. Just in outing. I don't know why. It's just going to the Tim Hortons, like just going through drive-through to get a coffee or two. It's just a thing we do up here in Canada. Well, in the United States and probably everywhere else in the world. There's probably drive-throughs everywhere else in the world, but yeah. Kind of a nice interlude, if you will. It gets me out of the house. Yeah. Alright, I think that's all for Z or Z. Yeah. Okay, we're good. I don't know why I poured it back into the bag. Wasn't done. Just had that little bit left, but okay. Yeah, boring section of the canvas. The bottom's not probably going to be any better. Like this bottom part of the column. It's probably not going to be any better. But anyhow. Alright, 41. 39, 40, 41. Okay, cool. Alright, let's see what we have next. The 4 dots. 13, I believe. Yep, okay. Oh, excuse me. Alright. Still digesting the McFlurry from earlier. Jeez. Ugh. Alright. Smarties McFlurry. Yum yum. Basically turned it into a milkshake after like half an hour. Basically a Smarties milkshake. And you have the option to use a spoon. I don't think he could chug that milkshake by any accord. I don't think he can chug McDonald's milkshakes. They're triple thick. They'll give you a paper straw now, and so yeah, that's gotta be fun. The straw's just like going blue. It's great that they got rid of the plastic straws, but the paper straws just disintegrate. You take 2 sips and the straw's dead. Great idea on paper, but in play, the paper's just not strong enough for liquid. But that's what they have now, so trying to save the sea turtles with getting rid of plastic straws. Well, we get rid of plastic water bottles and stuff too, like the one-time use type of plastic. Get rid of that stuff. Yikes. Those are even worse, in my opinion anyway. But yeah, I've used water bottles too. I'm like, yeah, not completely innocent. But yeah, we don't buy bottled water anymore. Because we have a Brita filtration system and we have UV treated and filtered water from our well. That's how we get water. Yeah, spring-fed well or something system. And we have never run out of water, drinking water, and water in general for the house, so yeah. I'm not sure about the spring-fed part per se, but yeah, it's a well. Must be the water table or something, like where water is in the ground. I don't know, science. Yeah. What else to tell you? Really, even seeing the whole thing, like, I haven't been diamond painting off screen yet. Talent. Alright. So, next week I'm like working every day. It's at McDonald's and PCI, so. Yeah, I'm a nights too, so I don't know when I'm going to be diamond painting next, so yikes. That's kind of eek. Not sure if I'll be doing videos next week, but we'll see how it goes. Try to fit something in. Well, be some weeks like that. I only work at McDonald's when I'm like available, like on my non-PCI days, so yeah. I either have 5 days off or 2 days off at PCI, bi-weekly, so the weeks alternate. So I don't know. McDonald's is nice because it's like only 8 hours too. But for that type of job, yeah, you're busy in that chunk of time for sure. And 8 hours just seems to fly right by when you're busy. Yeah, time flies when you're having fun. It's that kind of mentality too. So ooh, 5 and 6 are. There's just like 1/6 in that in this entire section. Oh my gosh, that's hilarious. There's like 1/6. Oh my gosh, why didn't they just make that a 5? That's funny. Oh dear, that's funny. It's just like 1/6. Whoopsies. Still square. Oh, okay. Just really didn't see it. Really didn't see the drill on the end of my pen. Applicator pen here. It's just a funny angle that I had it. Oh yeah, I know, this is a boring section. Dark colors and bleh. Yeah. Yeah, that's quite a go. I'll do a colorful canvas for the next one for sure. Got a good chunk to go still though. Oh, excuse me. Holy. Can't believe it's like already 4 p.m. Around that hour already today. It wasn't thunder, was it? Oh, Dad must have been doing something downstairs in the shop. I'm like, thunder? Like, I wouldn't be shocked because of the state of the sky, but I'm like, what? All of a sudden noise. Would anybody here do a 24,000 piece puzzle? Holy cow, that Amazon post is still making me cringe a bit. The no assembly, yet it's a jigsaw puzzle. I think I talked about it previously and posted it on my Facebook. I took a screenshot of the product page. Assembly required. No. But it's a jigsaw puzzle. Like, this is kind of sauce. It's like 400 something meters by it. It's insane. Like, where the heck would you put that? I don't think we have a room that's like 400 meters. It's like something you put in an art gallery or something. It's like, holy cow. It has like sailboats, animals on the far left hand side, like giraffes and stuff, and then outer space, and it's just like a crazy party all in a puzzle. And like 24,000 pieces. Like, I'm sure it was printed on like some sort of cardboard or something, like stiff cardboard, and like jigsawed, like made into jigsaw pieces, and then just slammed into a half decently sized box. And it's like, oh my god. At least you have a good reference picture, but like, could you imagine sorting that thing? The pieces? Like, just to make the border of the thing? It's like, where does this go? Just having an emotional breakdown, just like opening the puzzle box for crying out loud. Holy cow. Jigsaw puzzles are cool, but yeah, I just do not have the space to put a jigsaw puzzle together. Unless it was like out in the hallway here in the new addition, like the addition of the house, that'd be about it. But like 1,000 pieces, I'd stop at 1,000 pieces, not 24,000 pieces. Just holy kittens. I know people love jigsaw puzzles, but that's just overkill. Whoa, dropping the applicator pen. Oh man, happens every once in a while. Just whoa. Alright. Nice thing about this canvas is that there's like space to lean my arm, so I can just kind of just hang it. Yeah, don't get me wrong, jigsaw puzzles are awesome. Like, yeah, But yeah, I just no place to do them. I couldn't do them in the main part of the house because of the cat. Like, just can't leave a puzzle out. Cat would just like take one of the pieces and I'd never have complete any of the puzzles because the pieces would be gone or something. Like, set something out like that on a table or something, the cat's just gonna like slide it off, like push it off the table or something. Because anything on a flat surface, like a cat's gonna poke off, like push off an edge. They're just fascinated with that kind of stuff. I think there are YouTube channels on here that do jigsaw puzzles, aren't there? Like, something I'd have to like look up. I think I've seen something like that. I briefly saw like a few seconds of a video. There's the wind, or that. No, the wind's picking up. The Canada flag is holding on for dear life. Well, the sky is getting darker. No glare today. No sun glare today. But we'll see if the power goes out. I'll be the next thing. Yeah. Oh well. The weatherman kind of warned of a nasty system coming through. It was just a massive green, pink, blue radar kind of glob going across southwestern Ontario. Yeah, just covering the weather map. In my region of Canada. Yeah, I'm in the southwestern Ontario. Like that, just think around where the Great Lakes are. Yeah. Just around there. Yeah. Close to the American border. Adjacent to the state of Michigan. Yeah, I think if that's the right state, Michigan, it's right by the Great Lakes there. Yep, somebody get me a placemat with the geography, world map. Jeez. Oh, man. Yeah, I wasn't very good at geography. For some reason, no sense of direction. It kind of just stuck. If I had a blank map of the United States and had to name the states, like put names to states, I'd know a couple, but I don't think I'd know all 50. I think it's 50. Yeah, because the Yukon's, yeah. Or is it Alaska? Alaska is up north here in Canada, but it is an American state, so yeah, I think it's Alaska. Yeah, yep, that parcel of land up north. Yeah. But anyway, yeah, I'm terrible at geography. You've been watching Echoes of Color with Jeffery Morrison. Down below in the description, I put my Facebook profile name, my Echoes of Color Facebook business page, and my Instagram. I also put a Conqueror and Pacer walking challenge website links in the description as well. Conqueror being Lord of the Rings 5-part virtual journey across Middle Earth, like Sam and Frodo did, or the Fellowship, Lord of the Rings, la-di-da. And the Great Wall of China, which I'm doing off a friend here on YouTube. Like, content creator on YouTube, single and placing. Yeah, made a team. He joined. We're doing that together. Like, you have to buy the Great Wall of China challenge on Conquer individually, and then you can make teams and join a team and complete the distance together and get individual medals. But anyway, yeah, I'm not affiliated or partnered with Conqueror or Pacer. Pacer is Silk Road, trading route in China. Like, where traders sold, transported furs and other saleable goods across China. I said Asia for a while, but is China part of Asia? It's like geography again, but yeah. Holy cow. Yeah, world map, how bad would that be? It'd be just as bad as the 50 states thing. Maybe I'll try that someday. Just get like a blank map of the United States and try to name some of the states without any guidance whatsoever. Like, just have an idea. But anyway, maybe someday. I'll see. Other than that, take care with your crafting endeavors, hobbies. If you're just watching, thank you. Pleasure to have you. As always, feel free to comment down below. Just say hello if you want to. Totally up to you. I usually try to reply once I see that somebody has made a comment. But yeah, that kind of thing. I'll take care. All the best, and I'll see you again. Bye.